Hello, everyone. I really appreciate your time today. My name is Joshua Brooker. I am the CVO and principal of SnapHealth. We are a team that has 10 years of experience selling health insurance. SnapHealth is bringing everything from our physical insurance agency and making it digital. My day-to-day role today as a broker has really focused on building significant inbound funnels from other insurance agents, financial advisors, CPAs, and doctors. I'm an industry expert appointed with several national committees spearheading national government policy, and I'm often in closed-door conferences in Washington, D.C., focused on federal laws that impact millions of individuals. And as a team, we help clients in 11 states with licenses from 50 insurance companies, and we're laser focused on the individual market. Simply put, SnapHealth is turning everything we have built with our brick and mortar health insurance agency and going digital. So most people assume that the majority of individuals have insurance from their employer. And the reality is 48% of individuals are on their own to navigate the health insurance market. That's 160 million Americans who don't have employer-based coverage. So unlike the employer, where you're given 3 plans to choose from, a system like Workday to do your annual enrollment, for individuals, there are too many options. It gets confusing, and if you're not careful, you could be paying too much for something you don't want, or being stuck for a year with a plan that doesn't work with your doctors. So SnapHealth solves these issues with a user-friendly, self-guided digital process that provides individuals with access to quality health insurance products in real time. The solution saves them time and money and reduces headaches and provides peace of mind. You see, there are several avenues to buy health insurance when you're on your own, but when we look at our competitors, we notice they didn't consider all of the options before making a recommendation, and they actually don't check all of your medications or providers either. We think that adds complexity to this process, and we want to change that. When we talk about simplifying something, we really do mean doing it right from start to finish. Another challenge is your income is used to determine your eligibility for lower health insurance premiums. But when is the last time your CPA or your financial advisor helped you with health insurance? Your income is their business, and depending on your particular situation, there could be different factors that change how it's counted. While most options just ask you to provide a number, we don't think that's enough. Our algorithm addresses each of these variables, and it puts our solution far above the other options that simply ask, what is your income? So for SnapHealth, we're really just bringing our existing experience online. These slides give a taste of how the tool would work. Upon entering your zip code, you'd be advised on how many plans there are in your area. With the promise to bring that number down, you answer a few questions about your health history, and we affirm you've cut that starting number of plans in half. And at this time, we commit to giving you 3 plans with the completion of a few income questions. And this is where the magic happens. We take the needs of the family, their doctors, their medications, as well as their savings recommendation, and just like that, your plans are visible. Clients can see a side-by-side comparison of our recommendations and click the blue enrollment button to submit an application. This process works, but you don't have to believe us. Our existing client reviews speak volumes, and this is important because loud advocates spread the word and share our praise. This is what we're leveraging as we shift digitally. Now, you know that we can't build a company without a strong foundation, and that's why we focused on building our team and our network of relationships that would help us succeed. We're confident that our team has what it takes to build an amazing product and will change the lives of millions of individuals who struggle with their health insurance every day. Our founders are Erica Hollingsworth, Aislinn Sutcliffe, and myself. Collectively, we hold about every health-related credential in our industry, but more specifically, we have both industry and business acumen. For myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur. And for the last 10 years, I've built multiple businesses. The first 5 years, I exited with 600 clients with a life insurance practice. I then shifted to growing a financial planning firm from 150 million in assets under management to 220, and then to building our current health insurance agency. As far as Erica and Aislinn are concerned, they both have knowledge related to the administrative side of the individual health, Medicaid, CHIP, and medical claims end of our industry. Aislinn also has experience dealing with teams up to 100 employees, and they both build business processes that focus on efficiency to help our clients year over year. Outside of us, we've already assembled a group of contractors for back-end development, front-end UI, and branding, legal, compliance services. And because of our relationships in DC and with the state of Pennsylvania, we're on a first-name basis with several directors within the Department of Health and Insurance. I have a direct line to the statewide commissioner, and I'm on the policy and legal working group within Penny. So part of the 150,000 that we're raising from Ben, what we're asking for from Ben, is to add an additional 5 staff members to handle customer support, systems engineering, and project management. This will help us better respond to ever-growing demand for SnapHealth and make sure that we keep up with the rapid growth of our business. We considered that the staff we have, we want to make sure that it can support the onboarding process of all of these new clients. So we looked at Penny. They handle about 400,000 clients, and they have a staff of 250 customer service representatives. That equates to 1,600 users per customer service representative. And today, we're currently serving 450 clients between our 3 staff members. Our system would allow us to scale to 3,500 enrollments for this upcoming season. With a staff of 8, that equates to 450 enrollments per staff member. Now, the individual health insurance market are ripe for disruption. The upside to the individual market and Medicare markets is huge. Unlike a brick and mortar, with a digital system, the spread between the staff we need and the users we serve is outstanding. Because of this, we recognize a TAM to be about 160 million consumers. And as you notice with our financials, and here, our system will be geographically rolled out in stages, where we start in Pennsylvania, go to the Mid-Atlantic, and then national. Right now, though, we are focused on Pennsylvania with a market penetration of 3,550 enrollees. As far as revenues are concerned, as a broker for each person that enrolls in the health insurance plan, we receive between $20 and $50 each month per member per month, so long as the person has insurance through our company. Depending on the number of the people in the household, this could easily be $80 to $200 per month for a family of 4, because we do obviously multiply it by the number of people. So if a family of 4 generates $200 per month, the question then becomes, what do individual Medicare and group brokers really differ as far as bringing on clients? So $200 sounds like a lot of money. When you consider the industry, there comes a time where any successful broker hits a limit to the number of relationships they can service. Just like many professionals, brokers move up to larger opportunities per relationship. So if a family of 4 generates $200 per month, what does an employer of 100 employees or 1,000 employees generate? $5,000 to $50,000 per month. So for us, SnapHealth was the only logical move to scale up without leaving the individual behind. For a lot of brokers, though, they don't have the time or bandwidth to service this market anymore. And there's a real pain when they have an individual reach out and they either feel pain by turning them away or they feel pain by exhausting their time in the least efficient manner. This is how we built our funnels. The broker's pain is what has created a major opportunity for us. My physical agency sits in the void as a broker's broker, where other brokers consistently refer clients to my team. Within insurance, It could be a group broker who's focused elsewhere. It could be a broker from a different geographic area, different market, or disinterested in the individual health space. We also routinely take on client referrals from financial advisors, CPAs, and Penny. With SnapHealth, the baseline strategy we have will be to reroute all inbound referrals to our brick and mortar and reroute them over to SnapHealth, to excite current inbound partners to refer their network of brokers, advisors, and CPAs to our system and let them be our champions, to bring in general agencies and allow their agents and advisors to refer the lines that they don't service to us. In Lancaster, Berks, Chester, Montgomery, and New York counties, there are over 100,000 individuals that these funnels can refer to us. These people are going to be shopping around for insurance starting in November. And additionally, due to regulatory changes, we also are aware that about 45,000 people will be seeking coverage every month once the COVID public health emergency ends. So we feel the 3,500 number that we put out there is a very conservative number that we could meet. Our ask, we recognize first and foremost, we need to have our own skin in the game. As a recap, I've spent $96,000 of my own money as far as building Snap. To that end, we're asking Ben for $150,000, and this will serve two key purposes: to have adequate staff to handle customer needs this coming open enrollment. This would give us a 6-month buffer from onboarding to us generating revenue to pay our staff. And then in addition to that, to have the marketing budget to explode our funnels and have supporting advertising that keeps us top of mind throughout Q4 to all of our partners. In conclusion, our health insurance agency is going digital with SnapHealth. SnapHealth is a website that offers a self-directed digital process that provides individuals with access to high-quality health insurance products in real time. The solution will save time, save money, reduce headaches, and provide peace of mind. Thank you for your time, everyone.